When the market crashes, everyone asks one question: why did this happen? But the real reason is almost never what the news says. Let me break it down in 5 minutes.
First thing you must understand, the market never falls without a cause. And fear comes from three places: news, foreign investors, and human psychology. Let's start with the news. A crash always begins with a trigger. Maybe inflation goes up. Maybe interest rates rise.
Global tension is increasing, and companies are reporting bad earnings. This could signal a major market downturn.
The market reacts because it always prices in the future, not the present.
Now, the second reason, foreign institutional investors, or FIIs,
They control massive amounts of money in the stock market. When global markets turn unstable, FIIs start pulling money out.
unfriend. And when FIIs sell, the market drops fast. When they buy, the market rises.
The third and most powerful factor is psychology. When the market falls 2%, retail investors start to worry. At 5%, panic begins. Everyone copies everyone else. This creates a snowball effect. One person sells, then the next, then the next. Fear spreads faster than facts, and the market crashes harder. Fine, but here's the twist. Smart investors don't panic. They ask only 3 questions before reacting. Have company fundamentals changed? If the answer is no, they buy more, not less. Is this a temporary correction? Markets fall fast, but rise slowly and steadily. Is this fear or a real problem? Most of the time, crashes are emotional, not logical. And emotional crashes create the best buying opportunities. That's why the richest investors love corrections. Because every crash hides a discount. Now let's talk about long-term behavior. Well, if you zoom out 5, 10, or 20 years, every crash looks small. The trend always moves upward. But in the moment, fear makes everything look worse. So how should you react during a crash? Don't chase the crowd. Don't follow emotions. Focus on good companies. Focus on the long term. And remember, crashes are temporary. Growth is permanent. Smart investors stay calm. Weak investors panic. Permanent. Decide which group you want to be in. Permanent. Because the market doesn't reward fear. It rewards patience. If you understand this one principle, crashes won't scare you anymore. They'll actually make you excited. Because opportunity hides inside every dip. And wealth is built when others are afraid. This is why long-term investors always win. The market crashes, but it always rises again. Wow, histories. That's the truth about every crash. And now you understand the game better than 90% of people. If you learned something new, hit subscribe. More powerful finance lessons coming your way.